Hello, how are you? I teach English with powerful techniques. Follow me. One is make, one is do. One creates, that's make. One acts, that's do. Let's get started.
One creates, one acts. Most people mix them up. But today, we settle the war.
I am the architect. My rule? If it didn't exist before, I brought it to life.
And I am the engine. I don't build, I perform. I handle the effort and the action.
So, what does that actually mean?
I build the physical world. I make a delicious cake. I make fresh coffee.
Quizznets Fastmess. I don't just work for money. I make money. I create wealth. And I build the invisible. Every time you make a decision, a plan, or a promise, that's me.
Nice, but real life isn't just creation. I handle the chores. I do the dishes and I do the cleaning. It's a process, not a creation.
I do my homework. I do exercise. If it takes sweat and time, I'm your guy.
I do a favor for a friend. I do my best every single day. No result needed, just action.
Wait, when you fail, you make a mistake. Why? Because that mistake is a result you created.
Sigh. You're right. I did the work, but I made the mess. You win.
So, in real life, they work together.
I make the bed. And I do the cleaning. I make breakfast. And I do the dishes.
Let's fix the mistakes. Fast.
Stop saying made homework. It's D-I-D. And never did a cake. It's M-A-D-E.
No made exercise, it's D-O. Remember, result, written action.
Different roles, same language. Final test. Do you make a choice or do a choice? Comment below.